What we're doing today is we're solving the following system using the elimination method. As you notice, we have x plus y equals 7, x minus y equals 5. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the equations. And you notice we have x and x, which gives us 2x, y minus y, which cancels. And then we have 7 plus 5, which gives us 12. The reason why it's called the elimination method or addition method is because you're adding the equations and one of the variables is going to be eliminated. In this case, it was a y. What we do next is we divide by 2, and we know that x is equal to 6. Now, we're not done yet. We need to find the y value, so we're going to substitute the value of x into one of the equations. So we have x plus y equals 7. So we have 6 plus y equals 7. We substituted x with 6, and then we subtracted 6 from both sides. So y equals 1. So the solution to this system will be 6, 1. That's where the two equations will intersect. Now we're going to try example 2, and we're going to use what we call the addition method. And we have x plus y equals 13. And we have x minus y is equal to 5. And we call it the addition method is because we're adding both equations. We have x plus x, which gives us 2x. And then we have y minus y, which is equal to 0. And 13 plus 5 gives us 18. Since we're multiplying 2 times x, we're going to go ahead and divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. We're left with x equals 18 divided by 2 is 9. So we do know that x is 9. So next what we need to do is substitute the 9 for x and into one of the equations. So we have 9 plus y is equal to 13. We subtract 9 from both sides, and we have y is equal to 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. So the solution to the second problem will be 9, 4.